With Bosch Series 6 Freestanding Dishwasher, washing dishes will never be a chore again. The Variflex Baskets provide the flexibility to customize the space to suit your needs. The Ragmatic 3-stage upper basket caters for utensils of different heights. It also allows for easy adjustments to make space for the bottom basket in the dishwasher. The 4 foldable plate racks also allow you to adjust space for your items. The Bosch Series 6 dishwasher is not only highly effective in getting your dishes clean and dry, it is also easy and straightforward to activate the cleaning programs and options in 3 easy steps. Even the most greasy cookware can be cleaned easily with the Wok 70-degree program. This dishwasher comes with 6 automated programs to cater to your day-to-day dishwashing requirements. If you're in a hurry, the Vario Speed Option washes your dishes in half the time while giving you the best cleaning and drying results. What's more, the HygienePlus Option rinses and cleans your dishes with warm water for longer periods, removing germs and bacteria more effectively. The Eco-Silence drive in this dishwasher generates a powerful, efficient and quiet wash. Just listen. With the Series 6 dishwasher, you are ready to take on your next cookout.